Good morning, Next Level Docs. I am coming to you the day after Christmas. For those of you who don't know who I am, Dr. Maiysha, stress-free mom MD, and founder of the Next Level Physician Entrepreneurs Institute. And I just wanted to drop a quick message on this day after Christmas. So first of all, Merry Christmas to Merry late Christmas, I guess, to all of those who celebrate, and Happy Kwanzaa to those of you all who celebrate. And I will just say, for those of you all who are in all non-denominational or non-religious, happy holidays. All inclusive, I suppose. Anyway, I celebrate Kwanzaa, and so I was thinking about the principle for today, and it really just occurred to me that this is applicable to the group. And so today's principle for Kwanzaa is Umoja, unity. And it made me think about how a lot of our industry is grounded in competition and competitiveness, and how really it doesn't serve us as a community to be working against each other. And so there's a really great quote, and I posted it today on my own feed and on a couple of pages. It's an African proverb. If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. And so when you think about what competition really is, it's a divide. And when and I speak of this as a community of physicians, but also in terms of entrepreneurship, when we think of how we complement each other rather than compete against each other, then we can actually grow faster and go farther and make the biggest impact. So there are a lot of coaches in this group. There are a lot of entrepreneurs in this group. There are a lot of people who are thinking about becoming entrepreneurs. And I think the message that I want to bring is to start thinking about for 2019 is how can you collaborate with people who are industry adjacent, who are in your industry and may even do the same thing with a little crossover, but there are distinct differences. How can you empower each other? How can we empower each other as entrepreneurs, as business owners, whether it's a side gig, whether it's a main gig? And sure, the person who you might be wanting to empower may be in a business that doesn't necessarily apply to you. However, there's always a way to work together to empower each other in in taking ourselves to the next level. So that's the message I want to bring today. Very short message, but it just was on my heart to share and to bring you this message of unity. I feel like one of the pitfalls in our community as doctors is that we are trained to be fiercely in competition with each other. But at the end of the day, what takes us far, what helps us to grow bigger and have the greatest impact is that sense of unity. And we don't have to wait until something's wrong to unify. We can actually do it preventatively, and we can unify anytime we want so that we can help each other grow, have the careers that we love, have the lives that we design, and really be powerfully in our industry, in the medical industry. So that's my Christmas tip of the week, of the day at least. And I may be coming to you more this week with principles as we move it along through the holidays, because many of them are applicable. All right, y'all have a great rest of the holiday season, or rest of the day today if you're working. And you know how to reach me if you want to know a little bit more about what I do, stressfreemommd.com. For those moms in medicine who are wanting a little bit more support in creating a life you design, and nextlevelphysicians.com for those physicians who are considering starting their own business, side gig, and need some support around that. All right. Have a great day. I'll be seeing you again soon.